fat mass and its distribution can also be estimated by bioelectrical impedance analysis. Epidemiological studies across the globe have shown that relative risk of diabetes and cardiovascular diseases was higher in those with abdominal adiposity, which is a part of metabolic syndrome. In recent years, bioelectrical impedance measurement has been widely used in clinical settings for assessment of total fat as well as its distribution. Bioelectrical impedance analysis determines the electrical impedance or opposition to flow of an electric current through various body tissues, which is then used to estimate total body water, fat-free mass and body fat. Most of these machines have been developed in developed countries and have been used for fat mass measurement in different settings or by athletes for measuring muscle mass and changes in muscle mass in response to training. The subjects used for development of these machines were mostly Caucasians. First, body composition is measured using a gold standard method. This could be doubly labeled water or underwater weighing. Then, bioelectrical impedance analysis measurements are taken in the same subjects at the same time. A variety of sophisticated mathematical equations are derived based on which the fat mass, fat-free mass, body water can all be computed from the impedance offered by the body to electric current. These equations are validated in other subjects using gold standard methods for comparison. Ideally, BIA results should be compared with the results from a gold standard method based on body composition before it is used even in clinical setting. However, gold standard methods are available only in selected research laboratories and therefore cannot be used widely for checking accuracy of these machines. Indians have a higher body fat for a given BMI so that their body compositions differ from that of Caucasians. Some manufacturers state that they have attempted to change the mathematical equation to suit the body composition of Asians. All commercial models of the machines have inbuilt mechanisms which measure bioelectrical impedance, compute and display body composition measurements on the screen. The method of measurement of body fat has become popular mainly because the equipment is relatively inexpensive, portable and most important of all, very easy to use. But consumption of water, dehydration or moderate physical activity can all lead to inaccuracy in body fat estimation using bioelectrical impedance analysis. The newer 8-electrode machines can be used by well-trained personnel who are aware of the precautions to be taken, in aware persons who have been informed and have taken the precautions, to assess body fat and its distribution, to monitor changes in body fat over time in the individual who ensures comparability of conditions between visits. Here we are showing you a newer version of BAA machine wherein one person is programming and other person is reading the screen for her own measurement. The newer versions have a platform with 4 electrodes on which the person can stand very comfortably. 2 handheld electrodes, a small keyboard which can be used to choose the required measurement, and a small screen which displays the measurements. Measurements can be printed by connecting the machine to a printer. In this slide, we are showing you fat mass estimation by bioelectrical impedance analysis. The subject is standing on the 4 electrodes, holding the 2 handheld electrodes, and the machine has been programmed to measure body fat. Her body weight is 38.8 kg, body fat is 26.3%, and fat mass is 10.2 kg. If we then look at segmental fat distribution, truncal fat is 25.4, left arm fat 23%, right arm fat 21.3%, left leg 28.4, right leg 28.4. Clearly, the work related lesser fat in the right arm is discernible. Fat-free mass estimation can also be done using the bioelectrical impedance analysis. The subject here is standing comfortably on the machine, and the machine has been programmed to display fat-free mass in the display screen. Her weight is 38.8 kg. Fat-free mass is 70.1%. Fat-free mass weighs 27.2 kg. Segmental distribution of fat-free mass is shown below. Truncal fat-free mass weighs 14.1 kg. The left arm 1 kg, right arm 1 kg, left leg 5.5 kg, right leg 5.6 kg. Body water estimation can also be made using bioelectrical impedance analysis. The same subject has now been, the machine has been programmed to measure and display body water. Body water forms 51.5% of her body weight, and the total weight of body water is 20. As can be seen, it appears to be almost as easy as standing on a digital weighing machine and getting accurate measurement of weight. But things may not be as simple as that, and at some time point at least, these bioelectrical impedance analysis machines have to be calibrated against the existing gold standard.